finished when I fell apart. There was no sound, no breaking glass. I smiled through cracks I couldn't fix. Called survival being disciplined. I lost pieces I can't explain. Not all damage comes with pain. Some wounds grow in silent ways, hidden in ordinary days. I don't announce the work I do. Healing doesn't need a view. I'm rebuilding myself quietly, brick by brick, honestly. No applause, no urgency. I'm rebuilding myself quietly. If strength is choosing not to quit, and this slow work is evidence. I stopped waiting to feel ready. Stopped chasing who I used to be. I let broken parts exist without demanding perfection in it. Some days progress looks like rest. Some days just getting dressed. I don't rush my recovery. I'm not behind, I'm healing me. Growth doesn't always look like change. Sometimes it's learning how to stay. I'm rebuilding myself quietly, brick by brick, honestly. No applause, no urgency. I'm rebuilding myself quietly. If no one sees the ground I gain, that doesn't make it less profound. I'm not disappearing, I'm forming shape, becoming solid, safe and sound. I don't need to prove I survived. I'm here, and that means I tried. I'm rebuilding myself quietly, still standing, still becoming me. If my life grows deeper silently, that's enough. That's enough for me.